Embracing globalization. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to discuss a phenomenon that has profoundly shaped our world. Globalization. This intricate web of interconnectedness has altered economies, cultures, and societies in ways that are both remarkable and challenging. As we stand on the brink of a new era, it is crucial to understand the implications of globalization and how it influences our daily lives. Globalization has revolutionized the way we interact and conduct business. The advancement of technology has led to unprecedented levels of connectivity, allowing for instant communication and collaboration across borders. Companies can now operate on a global scale, accessing markets and resources that were once out of reach. This has spurred economic growth and innovation, creating new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. Cultural exchange is another significant impact of globalization. Through travel, media, and technology, people are exposed to diverse cultures and traditions. This cross-cultural interaction fosters greater understanding and tolerance among different communities. However, it also presents the challenge of preserving cultural identities amidst the blending of global influences. Education has also benefited from globalization. Students now have access to a wealth of information and learning resources from around the world. Online courses and virtual classrooms break down geographical barriers, providing educational opportunities to individuals regardless of their location. This democratization of education is paving the way for a more informed and skilled global population. Despite these benefits, globalization presents several challenges. Economic disparities between nations can widen as wealth becomes concentrated in certain regions. Small businesses and local industries may struggle to compete with multinational corporations that dominate the global market. Addressing these inequalities is essential to ensure that the advantages of globalization are distributed more equitably. Moreover, the environmental impact of globalization cannot be ignored. Increased production and consumption contribute to environmental degradation and climate change. As we advance, it is imperative to adopt sustainable practices and technologies to mitigate the adverse effects on our planet. Global cooperation is crucial in tackling environmental issues and promoting a greener future. In the realm of politics, globalization has led to increased interdependence among nations. While this interconnectedness can foster international collaboration, it can also lead to complex geopolitical dynamics. Balancing national interests with global responsibilities requires careful diplomacy and a commitment to collective well-being. The future of globalization will be shaped by how we address these challenges. It is up to governments, businesses, and individuals to work together in creating a world where the benefits of globalization are maximized while minimizing its negative impacts. This involves fostering inclusivity, promoting sustainable development, and ensuring that all voices are heard. In conclusion, globalization is a powerful force that has transformed our world in numerous ways. By embracing its potential and addressing its challenges, we can build a future where globalization enhances our collective prosperity and well-being. Let us move forward with a shared commitment to navigating this complex landscape with wisdom and compassion. Thank you.